Here are the step-by-step instructions for creating, altering, and dropping a database in SQL Server. Remember, in SQL Server we can do most of the things in two ways, using user interface or using queries. Let's see creating a database. Open SQL Server Management Studio and connect to the server where you want to create the database. Right-click on the Databases folder and select New Database. In the New Database window, enter a name for the database in the Database Name field. Click OK to create the database. So now if you refresh Database folder, you should see Sample1 database there. We can also create database using SQL query. So let us see how to create a database using query. Now database is also one of the types of SQL Server objects. Just like database, you can create tables, views, triggers and stored procedures, etc., which we will be talking about in later sessions. Remember, irrespective of the types of the objects you are creating in SQL Server, you use the create statement. So, if I want to create a database, I will say database, and on the other hand, if I want to create a table, I will say table. Specify the type of the object you want to create. Now is the case of database, I will write create database sample2. Press F5 or hit execute. Right-click on database folder and hit refresh. You should see sample2 database there. These two are user-defined databases, whereas if I expand System Databases folder, you can see there are some system databases. These are provided by SQL Server installation itself, and these are required for proper functioning of SQL Server. So, they should there.